Food and Beverage Services, Quarter 4. Our topic is Take Proper Action on the Complaint. Procedures on how to take proper action on a complaint and how to resolve it. A customer complaint is an expression of dissatisfaction on the customer's behalf to a responsible party. Dealing a customer is like working new acquaintances. It is challenging yet fulfilling. Customers always feel bad when their concerns are not properly taken concrete action. Apologizing to the guest matters a lot to them, as they would feel that they are given importance. Take proper action on the complaint. A. Listen to the guest. In listening to guests, there are factors to be considered. The guest-related attendant or any of the staff who will handle such concern will observe some factors. They should follow the sequence of events leading to the guest complaint. Try to understand the guest's points of view. Determine the guest's overriding concerns. Use eye contact and open body language, and allow the guests plenty time to explain. Letter B. Determine a solution. Any complaint without giving a concrete solution is useless. Certain factors have to be considered. Go over all available options in your mind. Consider the facts and guidelines of the restaurants. Select the two best possible solutions and present them to the guest. Possible solutions to guest problems are remake the order, reorder new item, or remove the item from the check. Letter C. Agree to a solution. Once solution is given, the customer and the staff must agree to a solution given. Certain ways are encouraged to do. Ask the guest to choose the solution that best accommodates his or her needs. Check if the solution preferred by the guest is feasible for you to agree on. Make sure the guest is pleased with the solution, and remain calm and pleasant. Letter D. Take action. As there is a certain saying, customers are always right. Their concern has to be properly give concrete solution. With that, things are to be considered such as prioritize the expedite action to solve the problem, ensure that the solution is clearly explained, and stress its importance and urgency. Letter E. Follow up. Once the solution has been completed, always follow up the guest. Make sure he or she is satisfied with the solution. If unhappy guests do not complain, they do not come back. If guest complaints go unresolved, they do not come back. But if guest complaints are resolved quickly, there is a 95% chance that they will come back again. Letter F. Prompt action is a must. It is important that you deal immediately with a disgruntled restaurant guest. Delaying your response and keeping the angry customer waiting will only complicate the situation. A customer's problem is the first priority and not to be written into the to-do list of the day. The following are some ways of taking action on the complaint. Number 1. Promise to do all you can to solve the problem. It is often better to refund, retreat, and restore guest confidence than to have the guests tell all their friends and others about their bad experience. Number 2. Follow through on your promise to act. In most cases, customers want to see that their feedback will make a difference and improve the experience of others. Number 3. Explain to the customer all the steps and or actions you can do to resolve the problem. Agree on how, where, and how often updates will be given during the whole promise. Number 4. Ask the customer how he would like his problem to be solved. What most customers want is a fair deal. Number 5, if the solution is beyond your capabilities, refer it to the manager or to a supervisor, but never disown the problem. Number 6, if the customer's request is not feasible, offer him another alternate solutions to a problem. Not all people settle to the same solution. Number 7, embrace the complaint. Do not ask yourself if it has to do with your job function. The customer complained to you, so this complaint as yours and it's your responsibility to solve it. And number 8, go to the extra mile. Offer freebies if possible. Offer the customer some kind of retribution for his bad experience. It doesn't need to be monetary, but it has to be valuable. The customer service is an integral part of every industry. It is where the industry will come to evaluate and assess the efficiency of its service. Thus, customer complaints are vital, and it is a package deal of vital part of the system. Without complaints, one industry cannot be tested and measured. Always remember that the customers is the heart of every industry. It is very important to know how to take actions of their complaints properly. They are taken care of like precious jewels, as they can be great tool for the failure and success of one's business. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.